Vario is a Singaporean company that's actually an online retailer of watches and watch accessories. They've been around since 2016. Let's see what they sent me. If you're like me and you've been around YouTube, I'm sure you've seen Vario. They're on Instagram, Facebook, all over the place. So they reached out to me. They wanted to send me some product. I said, sure, I definitely want to check it out. So what did they send me? Single pass NATO. This is a very nice olive green NATO. At first glance, very cool, very nice. I really like the single style NATO as opposed to the regular NATO. And of course, I told them to send me this microfiber towel. If you're a watch enthusiast and you like photography, this is a must. And I gotta say, pretty good quality, and it's only about $2, so not bad at all. Next is this black NATO. This is actually going to go on my G-Shock, and this is an elastic single pass NATO. It's about $18. Not bad, not bad at all. Everything what I like about these straps is that they have solid hardware, and it's signed as well. Not the cheap kind, you know, that you get elsewhere, but I'm not gonna put anybody down. But anyway, next they did send this watch travel pouch. It's about $20. It's really nice, very well constructed. You could put different things in there. Actually pretty cool. I like it. They do come in different colors, but for $20 it goes a long way, especially when you want to protect your watch, right? Now, this is what I was kind of really looking forward to. This is a $42 Italian leather watch strap or band. It does feature quick release, and I actually asked for a deploying style buckle. They did send the original one on a separate bag. You'll actually see it, but this was pretty well constructed. You could see it's been decorated in the middle as butterfly style, and this is called the Epson. It's Epson Italian leather, and it's black, and I really like the stitching on this. You'll see what I paired it with. Actually, you probably saw in the beginning of the video, it matches the patina on the tritium of my Speedmaster, so I wanted to go with this, and we'll talk a little bit more about this right now. Now, what is this? These are the adapters for my G-Shock. This is for my DW5600, and there is a buckle that I was talking about that goes with my leather band. But these little guys, so if you get these from G-Shock, they're a little expensive, but through them I believe they're $10. And yes, I had to go with a compass. Why not? This compass, I believe they sell it for $4. Unfortunately, I found out that this is for a 20mm strap, not a 22mm strap, so it didn't fit, but I will try it on other watches. Now, speaking of the G-Shock, I haven't done the review on this guy. This is the DW5600, the Evo G-Shock. It has that red LED, but how do you remove these guys and how do you put the adapters? Very simple. So just remove the original strap. As such, just be careful, everything is resin, so you can kind of scratch the resin very easily. So these guys go on just like that. You put the OEM spring bars. They did include spring bars as well, but all you have to do, put them on and pass the NATO through any NATO that you want, a single pass or your traditional one, anything you want. And it definitely changes the look and the wearability of the watch. I've never tried an elastic NATO, and I gotta say, wow, it's just like having stretchy pants on. If you know, you know. But of course, now let's go for this beautiful single pass NATO. Now this is a twill NATO strap. They call it the olive green. It's $14, guys. This is incredible value, and it's super comfortable. I actually been wearing this guy for the past like, I don't know, week. I can't take this watch off the wrist, so I absolutely love it. But with this strap, I just think it completely changes it, right? And look, I'm not gonna say any names out there, but this look of NATO, go online, you could find that they're going for like 30, 40, 50 bucks just because of the name. Don't pay those prices. This is super comfortable. It's super nice. I highly recommend it. Very comfortable. Now there you go, on the wrist. Again, it feels very comfortable, very nice. And this is 20mm. That is the leg width on my Seiko. Now for my Omega, as I mentioned previously, I believe the creamy stitching really does match the patina on the tritium on my dial. These are super easy to put on. take off with a quick release. And all you got to do once you before you put it on your wrist is just kind of set it up where you want it with the hole, and voila, you put it on, you put it off. This is cool because you put less strain on the leather every time you put it on, as opposed to like a traditional buckle. So that's pretty cool, and it looks more classy in my opinion. And I think this the pebbling, the Epson style, just really goes well with this watch, and is really comfortable. $42 actually is not bad. I've seen some other straps very similar to this. I'm not going to name any names, but some big places out there that sell these for hundreds of dollars. Don't pay that. Vario has you covered. Very nice quality. I really do recommend it, and they come in different sizes. Now, last but not least, the travel pouch. If you're a watch enthusiast, you gotta have one of these. Not only is it good for your watches, but also you could put all sorts of things. I mean, your Apple headphones or AirPods, different things, just do whatever your imagination could think of. You could put it in this little pouch, and it's $20. It's not gonna break the bank. It's actually pretty solid. If you haven't seen Dave's video on this from Just Watch, go check it out. He actually has his kid throw his watch down the stairs with one of these pouches, and it was absolutely fine. So final thoughts on Vario, go check them out. Great quality, great prices, super impressed by this. And if you haven't already, my friends, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. And as always, my friends, stay humble, and thank you for your support.